Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be clarifying the pronunciation of the word clarify. Let's get started. To pronounce clarify, we'll break it down into syllables. The word is divided into 3 syllables, clarify. Now let's say it together, slowly at first, clarify. Now, let's pronounce it a bit faster, clarify. Great! You've got it. Remember, the stress is on the second syllable, re. Now, let's practice saying clarify. You now know how to pronounce clarify correctly. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.